Let's come and check on our fruit trees. Okay, so this one bloomed the other day, and it still has some flowers on it. However, I think its pollinator did not bloom at the same time, which might be a problem. I haven't seen any flowers on this one at all. Do these just not flower sometimes? I have no idea how fruit trees work. That son of a bitch. It just is terrible all around. Here's my 4-in-1. It has a lot of leaves, but no blooms that I've seen at all. And I guess that's okay. I don't really know what to think about that. And then here's my little peach tree. It's adorable. It's got a few leaves, no blooms. I don't know how those work in conjunction with one another, but I don't know. I guess the fruit trees are looking okay. They're alive, I mean.